Welcome back everyone to part 15 of the FJ45 restoration series. So in this video we're gonna go mainly to the exhaust shop, but first we're gonna address the leaking fuel line at the front, right here down at the fuel pump. So as you guys saw in the previous video, when we went to the exhaust shop and it was closed, we found out a massive fuel leak at the front when we shut it off. So the fuel line is cracked a couple of places. We're gonna address that, maybe change it, maybe cut it, we don't know yet, depending on the time. So we're gonna make sure there are no fuel leaks before heading to the exhaust shop, because, well, the exhaust shop is gonna melt, so we don't want any fuel fumes, fuel leaks to catch the truck on fire and burn it to the ground. So as of right now, we're gonna be addressing this situation. Okay guys, so first we took out the fuel line clamp. As you saw, it was stretched out and you can't clamp anymore, so we took it out, changed it for the other type, worm type, but the fuel line was cracked and it was leaking also from the line and from the where the line for the hard line and the soft line connects to each other. It was leaking from here, and also the fuel line was cracked from top. So because we are on a schedule and we can't waste time, we had to splice the fuel line in half and then connected it, taking out the cracked part, just so we can get to the exhaust shop before it closes again. So that's why we didn't change the fuel line right now, but we're gonna change all the fuel lines soon. So guys, so as you saw, we're back from the exhaust shop. We ended up dicing a lot of pipes where it was rotten. So this part was fine, this part is rotten, so we sliced this one. Because what to change a good part. So this one's fine, that part was rotten, so we changed this part. We added as you can see, just to lift it up off the ground, so you can have some jumping stuff. And why not, because we got it for so cheap, we added this cheap ass tip at the end. So yeah, looks cool, looks fine enough. And remember, all this is gonna be epoxied, safe from the environment. Also, it's all gonna be covered with the bed anyway, so we don't have to pay the hard-earned money on an exhaust. It's not gonna be visible, so, and it has no difference in horsepower. We made it just as OEM. So human foods of burnout. Okay guys, so as you saw, fixed the exhaust situation, we backyard fixed the fuel line, and we did a burnout. So we got a couple of things to say about the burnout. One, it does burnouts. Two, it's an open diff. So we might be looking up into this, might not, haven't decided yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video. See you next time. Peace.